Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to long press Messenger on Android. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, long pressing on Messenger on Android allows you to access additional options such as deleting a message, forwarding it to someone else. Long press the Messenger on Android device. How you can easily long press on your Android Messenger on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.